This tool made my writing 10 times easier. And not just that, I can now turn complex academic exploration into fast, reliable insights, all with trusted citations. Meet AnswerThis IO, a tool which helps you ask any research question and get a clear, easy-to-understand answer. Fully supported by information from 250 plus million verified academic papers. Instead of spending hours reading through papers and trying to connect the dots yourself, this AI does the hard work for you. It finds the most relevant research, then summarizes the key findings in simple terms and links every claim to its original source. Let me walk you through all of its amazing features and how you can start using them today. Getting started is simple. Just create an account to unlock full access to the platform. To streamline the process, I've dropped the sign-up link in the description below so you can jump right in. Let's sign up together. Now, once you're logged in, here is what happens next. Ask any research question. Just type in a question like, what are the cognitive benefits of bilingual education? In minutes, AnswerThis finds the most relevant papers and gives you a clear, summarized answer with citations included. To take actions like chat, summarize, or export, you'll need to select one or more papers by checking the boxes on the left. Use the Extract Data button to pull structured data or key findings from selected papers. Click Bibliometric Analysis to explore patterns, citation trends, or author networks based on your selected results. Save citations or papers to your default project or export in your preferred citation style. You're now in the AI writer of AnswerThis, and here's a quick walkthrough of what's happening and how to get the best results from this powerful feature. You've entered the question, what are the cognitive benefits of bilingual education? Add a description, optional but helpful. Give more context for the AI. For example, please focus on both supporting and opposing views. Include sections on brain function, memory, attention, and educational outcomes. This helps the AI create a more focused and relevant structure. Once you're ready, hit Generate Outline, and the tool will instantly create a full structured outline right in your document. It will break down your topic into sections, saving tons of time you'd normally spend structuring a paper manually. Now, here's what happens next. Once the outline is generated, you can start filling it in manually. Or use Full Outline to Answer on the right sidebar to let the AI auto-generate a full draft based on each section using the selected sources. Once done, place the generated answer upon your liking. Either replace it, add to beginning, or in the end. Using the pop-up, you can automatically expand the current section of the outline with more in-depth content using your chosen sources. You can also customize by giving a specific instruction, like make this more formal, or include a study that supports this claim. You can also use the AI writer to summarize the selection or rephrase it. Go to the library if you need more references. You can also search for papers, search in from a vast database to get all the relevant papers. The citation map helps you see how research papers are connected. You can see which papers cite each other or have similar references. At the top, type a paper title or DOI in the search bar. After finding your paper, select Add as Origin to start building the map. Understand the arrows. You will see arrows connecting papers. Blue arrow equals paper A is cited by paper B. Red arrow equals paper A. Click on any paper node to expand and see more connections. Click Advanced Settings to adjust how many levels of connections you want to see. If you find interesting papers, save them to your library for later. Use it to discover important papers, recent citations, and how ideas are linked in your topic. It's great for literature reviews or finding related research quickly. You can also create your own diagrams like flowcharts, user journeys, database diagrams, and more. In the description box, type what you want to visualize. Example, steps in applying for a research grant, or how data flows in my system. Choose a diagram type. You can pick a type that fits your needs. Use the tabs, like process and flow, structure, etc. or the search bar to find a specific type. Pick the diagram type that matches how you want to explain it. After generating, you can usually edit or download the diagram. There are quite a few mini tools which come in handy. Empathy tool helps you review academic work using the empathy framework. Great for giving constructive peer feedback. AI essay writer automatically creates well-structured essays in seconds using advanced AI. Perfect for academic writing support. Research Gap Finder finds unexplored research areas or opportunities by analyzing existing studies. Useful for choosing a thesis or research topic. AI Paraphraser tool rewrites academic content to make it clearer and more original, while keeping the meaning intact. Humanizer builds literature reviews with citations, making your writing more natural, readable, and academic. Ready to upgrade your workflow? Try Answer This today using the link and description and get 10% off with the code GPT10, available in the video description and on screen now.